Today, I'm going to be teaching you 4 things, plus a bonus tip at the end. 1. How to install React using Vite. 2. How to install a project directly in the folder. 3. How to choose the right options in Vite to install React. And 4. How to start the development server in Vite. And I'll also teach you a bonus tip of how to change the port number in Vite using the Vite configuration file. Before we get started, I need you to know that you need to have Node.js installed. If you do not have Node.js installed, then you will not be able to follow along what we are about to do in the tutorial. To install Node.js, all you need to do is go to the description below and click on the video that will show you how to install Node.js. But if you already have Node.js installed, then you can keep watching this video. Right now, I'm going to show you a better way of installing React using Vite. First, create a new folder. I'm going to call this project PowerShell. Then go into the folder, open up VS Code, click on File, click on Open Folder, go to the folder you just created and open that up by selecting it. After the folder is open, click on Terminal and click on New Terminal. It will open up a terminal. Wait for it to start. And now we are just directly gonna install the React app inside this folder. To do that, type in the command npm create v at latest, and then since we are already in the folder in which we want to create our app, we do not need to tell v what the name of our app is, because if we did that, it would create a new folder and put the React app files inside of that folder. To create an app inside a folder that we are already in, all you need to do is put a dot that will tell Vite you want to create your project inside this folder. After you're done typing in this command, just press enter. After a while, you will get a message asking you if it's alright to install the packages. Just press Y and press enter. It will start the installation. Now you are being asked which framework you want to use. Use the arrow keys to go down to the React option and press enter to select React. Now you are being asked, do you want to install React with Typescript or just plain JavaScript? Select JavaScript if you want to create a simple project, but if you are creating a project for a client, you should select TypeScript. Now React using Vite has been installed, but to install the rest of the packages that React and Vite need to run, you need to install them. To do that, you need to run 2 commands, npm install, npm run dev, and to run them one after another without typing them out one by one, all you need to do is type in the command like this: npm install semicolon space npm run dev. What will happen is that first npm install will run, and then the second command, which is npm run dev to start your app, will run one after another. Otherwise, you would have to type in each of them separately. Press enter to run both of these commands. And now our second command will run. And now, as you can see, our project has started on localhost 5173. If you open this up in your browser, you will see your project has started. I'm going to stop the server for now. To stop the server, click anywhere in the terminal, press Q, and then press enter. But just in case you don't want to start on localhost 5173, you can change the port number by going into Vite config After that, go to define config. In that, type in server, colon, curly braces, open the curly braces, type in port, colon, and then type in whatever port number you feel comfortable with. Now type in npm run dev to start your app. Now as you can see, our app has started on port 3000. This is from another project. Let me just refresh this. As you can see, our app is up and running. If you want more tutorials on topics like this, then like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.